quiet tonight?
I've just had some stuff on my mind. I've been thinking about things.
Oh, well, stop it.
Oh, okay, sure.
Oh, no.
Oh, what's wrong?
I don't want to talk to a certain person over there.
Who is that?
That was Brad, a demon that I used to date. We just had a short thing.
Uh-huh, okay.
It was a totally superficial relationship. Nothing like what you and I have. Entirely physical, that's all.
Physical?
Yeah, that's it.
As in sex?
No, well, what? I don't, sort of.
Because I thought you weren't that into sex. That it wasn't that important to you.
It's not. I just mean that, I just mean that Brad was really shallow.
No, Nina. No. Spit that out. We are talking about this.